How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I have a product review over here. So this company is called the MJJC, and these guys make foam cannons. They called me, or they texted me about 3 weeks ago that they wanted me to review this product, and they sent it to me last week. So here is the product review of this foam cannon. So guys, if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button, and just like always, sit back, relax, and let's start the show. So guys, as we open the box, so let's see what we get in the box. The first thing, I open the box and you have this little paper that shows all the information about the foam cannon. It gives you all the temperatures, the water, GPM, and all that stuff, and that is all. And the package also gives you the straw that goes inside the foam cannon, and then this is the tip that goes behind the foam cannon for your quick connect for the pressure washer or your pressure washer gun, and here is the foam cannon, the bottle by itself, and let's see what we have. And this is the top part of the connect, and this is really nice. This is to fan out your how much width do you want for your foam to spray on, and then this way you can actually turn. You want it to be going up and down, or you want it going left and right, so this way you can turn the fan whichever way you like. And this is a really cool thing that I have seen in this foam cannon, because I haven't seen this kind of stuff in any other foam cannon. I just bought recently, I bought a foam cannon, and this feature was not in that, and this is really cool. I really like this feature. So as in the video, I'm going to put it to the test, and I'm going to see if it's really working or not. So we'll find that out. So we keep the box aside and we'll open this little package. It has little filters in there. I don't know what is that for. We'll find out later. So we do have a straw, and we get an orifice over here. So this comes with a standard orifice set in there. I think that is like if you want more foam coming out of the foam cannon, and we are going to test that as well. It's very easy to replace. If you have a Phillips screwdriver, you can just unscrew from here and you can just install that other one back in there. So guys, we will be putting this together, and first of all, I install the straw that goes into the foam cannon nozzle. Here it is. It is very simple. It goes in very easy. And the next we're going to do is install the 1/4 quick connect tip that goes in the back of the nozzle. So here it is. It's really simple. And one thing I noticed, this fits so well that once I tighten it up, and it really snugs in tight. I don't have to do much pressure on it or take a wrench or something and go tighten it up totally. This is really simple, and all you gotta do is put it back into the foam cannon and tighten it up completely. So we're gonna put this to the test, and let's see how this foam cannon works. And it is very easy. All you gotta do is just properly tighten the bottle to the nozzle, and it just fits in right. And I can say, guys, the build quality is really awesome in this thing. As you can see, wherever I lean, the ball in the bottom of the straw leans with the foam cannon, so there is a constant flow of soap coming from this foam cannon. I'm using Chemical Guys Max Suds for my car shampoo, and I'm using 20 ounces of water and 2 ounces of the shampoo. I use this Chemical Guys Max Suds for all my cars. So let's see how much foam can I get out from this foam cannon using just the regular orifice that comes in the foam cannon from the factory, and let's see how much foam do I get out of it. guys, right out the gate my reaction was wow, because this foam cannon produced so much foam that I have never seen this much foam on my vehicles, because all my vehicles are ceramic coated and the foam was actually staying on the vehicle. As you will see in the other car that I do, the foam just stays on it and slowly it dies. But usually the regular foam cannon that I have, when I spray the foam, by the time I'm just putting the foam cannon down, the foam is already off the vehicle. But this is an amazing foam cannon, guys. So guys, by far I have really worked on this foam cannon and I used it on one of my cars. And guys, this is an amazing foam cannon. I'm not just saying because they told me to do a review on it, but guys, this is amazing. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the orifice on this one. So I use the factory orifice that they sent me, or one that comes installed in this. It is this little piece over here. I hope you guys can see it. The focus is good, I suppose. But this little piece, so we're gonna change this, and this is the one that comes already installed in the foam cannon, and they have given us a spare one, and I think this is it says 1.1 mm, and this is supposed to make more foam or make more thicker foam. So let's try, and in order to do that, all we need to do is take a Phillips screwdriver. We'll take this one off, and here is the new one that they sent us, and we're gonna try this on a different car. So let's see. So let's find out what this changing the orifice can do. And guys, my reaction is correct over here. My jaw was open. You can see so much foam is coming off of that front bumper. This car is ceramic coated. The foam is still holding onto the paint, and this is amazing. I have never seen this much foam come from a foam cannon, and this is amazing, guys. Before the video ends, my verdict is this is the product that is worth spending the money on. If you are looking for a new foam cannon, do check this product out. I give these guys 10 out of 10, and this is an amazing foam cannon to use. Did put this foam cannon to the test, and like I mentioned earlier, there is a ball inside the straw, so whenever you're bending this way, there is always going to be a constant flow of soap coming through this foam cannon, and which is really amazing. And like I showed you on the video, this foam cannon did put out a lot of foam or a lot of suds on the car. I have never experienced that kind of thing before. This by far, the foam cannon, I think is worth the money to buy, because I had spent just a few days ago, I spent about $30–$35 on a foam cannon, which I was not very happy with. I changed the orifice on it. That means to make the amount of water going into the foam cannon a little bit less, but still it didn't function. This, with just the factory foam or factory orifice, it made a lot of difference. And guys, I was really surprised by this. So if you like to get this foam cannon for yourself, I have the link in the bottom in the description. You can check it out, and make sure, if you're in the market looking for a foam cannon, be sure to check this item out. This is really amazing, and I think it's worth the amount of money that you spend. And guys, this I think I'm going to start using on my regular details, because I'm really happy with this product. And guys, just like always, thanks for tuning in, thanks for watching the show, and make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and just like always, I will definitely see you on the next one.